So we're in Silvertip today at 109 Silvertip Ridge. This beautiful 4-bedroom home backs onto the golf course, has incredible views, and is absolutely flooded with sunshine.
With the Silvertip development, it's all been about keeping the landscape as natural as you can, and then that natural beauty of the landscape from outside, as you can see with those trees through the window, is brought beautifully into this home. We've got some stunning log beams and some hardwood furniture, and then these beautiful, huge windows let in all that natural light.
You can feel the quality in here. Everything is absolutely solid. And look at all the detail, even the fine details of this stone fireplace, wood burner. It's really, really cozy.
Just off your living room, you've got this amazing deck. We're south facing with peekaboo views of the Three Sisters. Just down here, you've got access to your fire pit area. It's peaceful and it backs onto tee box number 8.
Fabulous open concept kitchen here with this wild green granite, hickory cabinets. This flows right into the dining room and of course the living room.
So we have the primary suite on the back of the main level as well. We've got some great views of Lady Macdonald through that window behind me, and that mountain character flows through from that living room into this bedroom. As you can see, we've got those cherry hardwood floors. We've also got these log beams going above me with some amazing additional storage up there. And then you've got to check out this 5-piece renovated ensuite washroom.
Additionally, on this level, we have a large bedroom with south-facing views.
It also has its own ensuite.
We're all above grade in this house. When we get to the main entry level, it features this wonderful log staircase. It has a really spacious entryway. Just off this main entryway is a 4th bedroom or office space, as well as access to your large double car garage and your huge laundry/mudroom.
So we're at grade here. You walk right out.
You've got this family room with a built-in Murphy bed, ensuite, great for additional sleeping quarters.
Another large bedroom down here with bunk beds and tons of natural light.
So this home has a wonderful south-facing aspect. You'll get all day sun here, and if it gets too hot for you up on that main deck, you've always got this really nice shaded area where you can hang out, have a nice barbecue shaded from the sun while having your fire pit roaring in the background, or jumping in the hot tub to have one of those beautiful relaxing evenings after a day of skiing.
As always, thanks for watching.
Our contact information is just below, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. We have some great videos coming for you again in the next couple of weeks.